Hey everybody, welcome back. Check it out. Yeah, we've got a big one this time. We're gonna have to do a floor unboxing because I don't have a table with enough space to put all the pieces. But anyways, you can probably tell it's a dauntless looking type airplane, but it's actually the Douglas A-24B Banshee. So pretty cool looking version of a dauntless. From VQWarbirds.com. Make sure you visit those guys, making some amazing stuff. I'm sure you guys, or hopefully you guys, have watched my Bearcat video. That thing's just an awesome airplane and I'm still loving it. But anyways, this is the A-24 Banshee. So just showed up. It's still in the box. We'll unbox it here and show you what's up. Or we'll show you how it's packaged, and then I'll probably unbox everything because there's just so much and so big. I have to get it on a dedicated table eventually here and kind of show you what's going on. But let's see if I can get this box top off. Big boxes are always fun. There we go. Skills. So inside we have more cardboard, which I've already cut loose. Inside that we have the beast. So I'm going to use that piece for setting things on. But you can see it builds just like the Dauntless. Looks very similar. Has the same manual. We do have some different decals and stuff though. Pretty cool. It's a 30cc airplane. So you're going to be able to use your DLE 35s like I used on the Bearcat. Q also sells a really cool 35 with electric start, which I don't have an engine quite yet, and I've been kind of toying with that one as my motor of choice. I've never had an electric start gas airplane yet, and everybody probably should have one at some point in their life, right? So why not? Everything is packaged really well. You can tell I have not taken it out of here yet. You can see the size of that thing. It's almost up to my neck. But I'll carefully get the pieces out here, and then we'll kind of check them out once we get them out of the bubble wrap. You can see it's a green with kind of a grayish color on the bottom. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys what comes. Here's the spring gear. Obviously I'm going to do retracts, so I'm not going to use those. And here we have a cowl and some little bits. I do have the servos on their way from Hobby King. The links will be down below in the description. Move this box here. So one thing with my videos, always check the video description. Here you have some wheels. Because in the description I always post links to the things I use, which could be useful to you if you're interested in using the same things I do. Got some wood bits and stuff in there. We have the scale radial motor. The rest of this will be the cowl. But anyways, I got links to stuff, tips that I maybe didn't think of or didn't post in the video or kind of happened afterwards. Stuff like that I always post down in the description. So it's definitely worth a look. And I don't know why I'm struggling so bad with this cowl. This tape is beating me here. I don't want to drop it. There we go. How cool is that? Looks really nice. Excuse me. Very well built. The paint looks really good. So in here we've got a bunch of wood bits and stuff. I'm not sure yet what this all goes to. Actually, it looks like some of it might go to the bombs. Let's see what this is. A pilot. Everything you can see is very well packaged. Look at that guy, that's really cool. It's hollow. I don't know what it's made out of. Plaster or something, or some sort of resin, fiberglass, I don't know. Pretty cool. Really good looking detail. See down on this side, fuel tank. There's that bomb with a bunch of other little bits. Here's some pieces that'll go on the bottom of the wing. Some other things. Here's your fuel tank. Here's a bag with a bunch of fuel line. I'm not sure if that is glow or gas. I'll have to look. You got some machine guns, a bunch of bolts, tail wheel. We'll lay all this out later. Down in here we have the wing panels. Wing panels, the center section, and on this side you probably can't see. Cut this out here. We have the main spar, which is massive. We got a bunch of control rods, stuff like that. So I'll get everything laid out, and then we'll come back and kind of look it over and unwrapped, and we'll have a look at what we got there. So make sure you stay tuned. Okay guys, we got parts everywhere, so I'm just going to kind of take you guys free and give you a walk around here, what's up. But look at that fuselage, how cool is that? The one thing I love about these models, one of the many things, is just how they've got all the printed panel lines and cool stuff on there. And you can see, you know, they got the leading edge, I think those are vents or whatever, they come through on the full scale one. Here's where that second pilot will go. The hatch on the fuselage here is this whole section that comes off, so you can get to your radio gear down inside and whatnot. I'll try to do this one-handed really carefully. Kind of lay it over so you can see what's in the bottom. My dog's angry about something. Let me flip it back over. Okay, so that main hatch just pulls straight up and off. It has magnets on the bottom. And you can see here it has a really cool panel in it, which is nice. Anyway, so you get that off. Here's where your fuel tank and whatnot will all go down in here. Then you got Mr. Pilot here with his little joystick yoke. He's held in with magnets too, so if you pick him up a little and pull forward, he kind of tabs in there and he pulls out. And then what you'll have down here is your servos will go in here. You can see your push rods come forward. So everything is right there, easily accessible, quick to get to, pretty awesome. You can have your switches in here. There's no need to put any holes on the outside of the airframe. Just really cool. Good design, I like it. So simple. There's the hatchback on. So anyways, one thing that makes this plane cool, just like the Dauntless, is these babies. So these will split. They're just taped up right now, but as you know, they will split apart. One will go up, one will go down. So you got your dive brakes. Covers for the linkages. You can see everything will be hidden for those linkages. Other wing, the same deal. Here's the center section. I don't know how to express to you how much I freaking love that this has a center section with the landing gear in it and the outboards come off. I mean, for transport setup, this is just the bomb. You'll take the outside wing panels off, put them in wing bags, whatever you got to do, but you can transport this thing on its gear. Easy to set up. You know, one-piece wings are a pain in the butt. Wings that slide into the side of the fuselages are a pain in the butt. But this is just awesome. And you can see here, I'll take the tape loose. Got a big honking center flap. You can see the linkages down there. Another hidden servo, just amazing. And of course you have that detail. I mean, look at the weathering on it already. How cool is that? This thing is just going to look amazing at the field. So, pretty stoked. So here you have your big spar. Massive, massive horizontal. The cowl and the rudder come separate. And then your other bits that I pulled out earlier and showed you. But anyways, that's a gist of the beast. I cannot wait to get this thing together. That's kind of all your pieces. This is like an 80-inch airplane, 30cc. It's going to be amazing. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you check the links down below in the description so you can get more information of what you know, are curious about, or post a comment down below and I will answer it. So anyways, we'll get cracking on this as soon as I can. So once the servos get here, we'll start some assembly, and I'm still contemplating the motor, but it'll probably be a 35 of some sort is my guess. If I don't pull the one out of the Bearcat and put something else on that, I'm really tempted to get that electric start that VQ sells, because that's just cool. And like typical Warbirds, you need nose weight anyway, right? Why not use it as something cool? So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you stay tuned, because there's going to be more from this baby. Spring has sprung and there's going to be flying coming. JohnVH out.